being seen as a face saver for both the Aam Aadmi Party and the central government as Arvind Kejriwal called off his 48-hour strike after Delhi's Lieutenant Governor ordered 2 of the 4 police officers accused by Kejriwal to go on indefinite leave. And while Kejriwal has claimed moral victory, it's possibly the Aam Aadmi of Delhi who can finally breathe easy.
इस देश की राजनीति बदल रही है, पॉलिटिकल डिस्कोर्स बदल रहा है, वो भी सीख ले अब इससे। अब राजनीति इस देश में ऐसे ही हुआ करेगी।
A fairy tale transforming into a nightmare. That's what his words coupled with his actions reflected as Kejriwal tried to justify governing from the streets. As the arterial streets of India's heartland converted into virtual fortresses, a defiant Kejriwal even attempting to shoot the messenger.
ये क्या हो गया मीडिया वालों को? मैं ये नहीं कह रहा सारे मीडिया वाले ठीक नहीं हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं कई मीडिया वाले, लेकिन कुछ मीडिया वाले ऐसे हैं जो बीजेपी और कांग्रेस की राजनीति कर रहे हैं।
Just minutes after the letter from the Lieutenant Governor expediting the judicial inquiry and sending 2 cops on leave, the Chief Minister calling off his dharna.
ये साहब की इस अपील के मद्देनजर हम सब लोगों ने मिलकर तय किया है कि आज का ये धरना यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं।
The central government was forced to buckle under pressure and an unfazed Kejriwal claimed victory.
आज मुझे कहते हुए खुशी है कि आज दिल्ली के लोगों की जीत हुई है। या गिर के सारे मैं दिल्ली के लोगों को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ।
32 hours after Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal led a protest here in central Delhi's high security zone demanding suspension of policemen who he said were erring and did not cooperate in their midnight raids. And after they've been sent on leave, Arvind Kejriwal calling it a people's victory, saying that police has been made accountable.
His unruly ways drew sharp criticism with voices questioning his decision to dump governance and choose anarchy instead.
If a chief minister does not function according to the rule of law, then the answer is that the government can't be run in accordance with the constitution.
Do they believe in the idea of India as a republic? Because if you believe in the idea of India as a republic, then you would not resort to the kind of anarchy which you're resorting to.
After 2 days, they have called off the dharna on the streets. Did the growing negative publicity against the party force Kejriwal to call off the dharna? And is Kejriwal on the back foot after accepting a diluted face saver? Bureau Report, Times Now.